Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our Ecto build. We have stage 61 parts right here. And as with the previous two stages, I do not have the magazine. They sent the wrong one, so we are using internet resources to try and figure this out. So let's crack this open and see what we got. All right, not a lot of pieces to this stage. We have the left interior panel, the left speaker base, and the left speaker itself, along with a number of screws. All right, to start off, we're going to assemble the base with the speaker itself. That's actually pretty nice detail on that speaker. I'm quite impressed with that. If you look on the other side, you can see there's a little L in there, and the post is keyed with tabs on either side. So while it can fit in either way, it's symmetrical, so it doesn't really matter. And once you've slid it in there, we'll use an EP screw to hold it in place. All right, and now that we've got this assembled, we'll pull this out, and you can see there's the three holes here. On the back, you can see you've got the two posts that are just going to slide in there, and it should be relatively flush. And on the other side here, we're going to use two more EP screws to hold it in place. All right, look at that. That looks nice. And now we got to bring out the interior. All right, now that we've got the interior out, our left panel will go on the left side of the interior. And push this up a little bit. We have a screw base here, here, and here. And that is going to match the screw bases here, here, and here. And it should look something like that when it's lined up properly. And you screw it in from the underside using DP screws. And when all is said and done, you can see that the left panel here is in place. It ain't going anywhere and looking beautiful. And that actually completes stage 61. And there you have it. Stage 61 is complete. Not a whole lot to this issue, but a lot of detail added to the interior. I personally love it. I can't wait for the next one. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.